Herbs, I love them. Dried, fresh, every which way. And I like growing my herbs in barrels. The barrels that I use are veg truck barrels, you can see right here. They have excellent drainage on the bottom, and that's key. The secret for a well-grown herb: sunlight, good drainage, and good soil. I'm using Beyond Peat organic, peat-free soil. It has just enough organic fertilizer in it to last for a few months, so it's a great way to kickstart your herbs. Here's how I like to plant the herbs. First, I fill the barrel about 3/4 of the way full. I don't have to add any fertilizer because it's already in there. I dig a hole, and then I grab one of my herbs. This is Greek oregano. Oh, and it smells so, so good. So I take it out of the container. I see if there's any roots that are at the bottom, and then I squish it a little bit. Squish it down and place it where I want it. I think this one I want kind of flowing over the top. My favorite herb ever is curled parsley. I know, it sounds crazy. This is something that I remember eating on the side of the plate when I was a kid. This wasn't a main dish, but it is very ornamental. Curly parsley will fill out and become very mounded in the middle. So we're planting it smack dab in the center. Let's plant the sage around the outside bit. I really love flat Italian parsley chopped up in a salad. Delicious. It gives it a lot of fresh flavor. We're also putting in some rosemary. Now, the secret with rosemary especially is it likes good drainage. And all of these plants need good drainage, but rosemary is, and oregano actually, really thrive with a good drain through. My recommendation when you set the planter out in a nice sunny location, make sure that you water it and then let it dry out absolutely completely in between waterings. Now, there are tons of ways that you can cook with herbs. I like, though, to do something really interesting. I snip off a bit of rosemary, a bit of the oregano, a bit of Italian parsley. I keep snipping, and I then, here, let's do this one. I then combine them together in a little bouquet. And by the way, wow, smells so delicious. I wrap it with a little string. Now you can do several things with this. You can grill with it and set it on top of your meat while you're grilling. You can drop it into a pot if you're stewing something. God, the flavor is delicious. Or you can just marinate with olive oil and mix it in with your vegetables and your meats. All of these are absolutely delicious choices that you can make for a wellness lifestyle. So you want a little bit of wellness in your life, it's wonderful when you can go out and just pick out your fresh herbs directly from your garden and then bring them inside. Now, when it gets to be cooler weather and some of the herbs are looking a little rough, trim them up, bring them inside to a sunny window, and it can last all winter long. What a treat. I'm Shauna Coronado. Remember, plant with peat-free soil. It's better for the environment. And Beyond Peat soil has organic fertilizer already added and is perfect for your herbs.